Hello, my name is Hussein Mahdevian, and in this tutorial I want to teach you how to make this space tunnel. It is very easy to make, so stay with me until the end of the video. To start, we create a composition. I choose full HD size and white background. We draw a circle using the ellipse tool. I set the fill color to none and the stroke to solid. For example, set the stroke size to 20 and I draw a circle like this. If you hold shift, the full circle will be drawn. With space, you can move the circle and put it in the right place. Open the ellipse and from the stroke section, by clicking the plus sign in front of the dashes, I will create these lines. You can adjust its size in this way. From the line cap section, select the round cap option so that these sides are rounded. I set the dash to 60 for example. Select the repeater effect from the add section. You can see that 3 copies of this circle were created. Set the number of copies to 50. Open the transform repeater and set the position to 0 so that all the circles are on top of each other. Set the scale to 70. You can see that the straight tunnel is now created. We can animate it by using the offset option. In the first frame, I set the offset to -3. I create a keyframe for it. I will also create a keyframe for position. Move the CTI to second 5 and I set the offset to -20. Also change the position from the x-axis. You can see that the tunnel tilts to the right. Select these keyframes and make them easy ease with F9. Open the graph editor. Select these 2 keyframes and adjust their speed like this. Now if I play the animation from the beginning, you will see that we were able to make this space tunnel so beautifully. With a little creativity, you can add other elements to this tunnel and make your animation more attractive. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thanks for watching.